I want to thank y'all for tuning in the video today. Today we are in the Ram 2025 RHO. And just kind of wanted to take y'all on a drive, just kind of a POV, talk about it a little bit. You know, I just hit the, you can see I got 10,800 miles on it. Truck runs absolutely wonderful. I've had zero issues with it. You can see you got the passenger screen on that side, and then you can pick whatever, you know, the thing about the instrument cluster that I really like, you got all different modes. You know, you want to see your TPMS, you want to see all that stuff. I like the old, I guess, analog looking gauges. But you know, one of the things about this truck is it's just the smoothest running. It's got plenty of power, and you can see just sitting here running down the highway when it gets 8th gear, 75, set the cruise. We're looking at about 13 to 14 miles per gallon. And even though this road is not hands-free driving, it's not a mapped road, the cool part is if you just hold the steering wheel, you can see right there it's got your hands on it, so it's looking for your hands, so the camera's not active. If you're on an active road, you can actually take your hands off the steering wheel and the hand signal will come off. I don't know if y'all can see that in the heads-up display or not. But like I said, the one neat thing about it is a lot of those trucks you have to hold weight on the steering wheel to get it to register that your hand's on it. This truck right here, literally just put 2 fingers on it just like this, and it's driving. It's going to stay in the lane, it'll go around curves, it'll kind of do its own thing. You just keep your hand rested right here on the wheel, and it stays about the center of the lane. See, we're seeing 15 right now at 75 miles an hour. And y'all, this truck has stock tires, it's got a leveling kit on it, but it's just the smoothest running, one of the best riding vehicles. I really like it. It's got the 18s on it, you know, you got the 35s. Just overall impressed with it as far as power, acceleration, and how quiet it is in here. And you know, these trucks have the acoustic glass in them, so it's even a little bit quieter, and you can tell there's very little road noise in here. Back seat's got plenty of room. I mean, even compared to my mega cab, if I stretch my arm all the way out here like this, y'all, I can't reach. My daughter has to reach up to grab something from me if I hand something back to her. But I like the size of the truck. You know, that's probably the other thing is, you know, it's a little bit wider, so it has that little bit bigger feeling. So it doesn't quite give you that little half-ton feeling, but it doesn't quite give you that 3/4 ton. It's kind of right in the middle, which is really perfect for me. And like I said, driving this thing on the daily it's great. And getting the fuel mileage it does. On the fuel tank, I mean, I can run, on a full tank when I fill up, it shows about 420 to 430 miles. If we're on a road trip, I've seen 450 to 460, you know, where you're just out doing highway running 78 miles an hour. But just very customizable. You can even see in the dash here, you can push this button and customize each one of those to show you what you want to see. But so far with this truck, it is my absolute favorite truck. I bought this truck twice, y'all. I traded in the dealership and purchased it back. So, and we've done probably 3 road trips with the family in this truck, over 1,000 miles, and we've got 2 more coming up that are close to 1,300 miles. And this thing just rolls down the highway, y'all. And the wife actually enjoys driving it, and the kids love it. It's comfortable. Got the bed cover on it so we can put our bags in the back. I mean, it just really works. But appreciate y'all riding with me today. Got any questions or comments, drop them below. If you don't mind, please hit that like and subscribe. We will catch you on the next video.